How to delete Microsoft Teams. Now, if you have been using the Microsoft Teams app for quite a while, and now you are not satisfied with it or would like to delete the app for some reason, in order to do that, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then launch Settings on your Windows or mobile phone. After that, on the left hand side on the Windows, you can see the option called Apps. So just go to Apps. Select the option called Installed Apps from the menu. Now over here, you simply have to search for the Teams application. So you can also navigate towards the M section to find the Microsoft Teams app right here. So once you see Microsoft Teams app, just click on the three dots option beside it. Then you'll find the option called Uninstall. It will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to uninstall? So if you want to, just hit the uninstall button and the application will be successfully deleted. This way you will be able to delete Microsoft Teams. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.